Are you an engineering or STEM student struggling with complex material? What if I told you there's a note-taking system that can transform your academic performance? I'm here to share the exact method that helped me achieve straight A's in engineering. This isn't just any system. It's tailored for the unique demands of technical subjects. Today, we'll dive deep into a proven note-taking strategy designed to boost your understanding, retention, and ultimately, your grades. Let's start by understanding the core principles. This system emphasizes active learning and structured organization, crucial for STEM fields. It's built on the idea that your notes should be a dynamic tool, not just a passive record. They should facilitate review and problem solving. Unlike traditional methods, this system integrates concepts, formulas, and examples in a way that makes complex information digestible. It's particularly effective because it forces you to engage with the material, rather than just transcribing lectures. This leads to deeper understanding. Now, let's break down the system step by step. First, divide your page into distinct sections. This creates a visual hierarchy. The main section is for your primary notes during lectures or readings. Focus on capturing key ideas, definitions, and formulas. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time, but ensure they are consistent and understandable to you later. Develop your own shorthand. Next, the Q column. This narrow section on the left is for questions, keywords, and prompts that summarize your main notes. These cues are vital for active recall during review. They act as triggers for the information in the main section, testing your memory. Finally, the summary section at the bottom. After the lecture or reading, condense the entire page's content into a few sentences here. This summary forces you to process and articulate the main takeaways, solidifying your understanding. It's a powerful review tool. Let's see this in action with a real-world engineering example. Imagine a lecture on circuit analysis. In the main section, you jot down definitions of Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, and key formulas as they're presented. You'd also sketch the circuit diagrams, ensuring they're clear and labeled. Visuals are critical in engineering. In the Q column, you might write questions like, what is Ohm's law? Or, how do Kirchhoff's laws apply to series circuits? After the lecture, your summary might state, Ohm's and Kirchhoff's laws are fundamental for analyzing voltage, current, and resistance in circuits. This structured approach ensures you're not just passively absorbing information, but actively processing and organizing it for future recall. Let's look at a powerful comparison: before and after notes. On the left, typical disorganized notes. Information is scattered, difficult to follow, and lacks a clear hierarchy. Reviewing this would be a nightmare. Now, on the right, observe the transformation using our system. Clarity, organization, and effectiveness are immediately apparent. The after notes allow for quick scanning, easy identification of key concepts, and efficient self-testing using the Q column. This improvement directly translates to better understanding and retention of complex material, especially under exam pressure. In summary, this note-taking system is a game-changer for engineering and STEM students. It's more than just writing, it's strategic learning. By implementing these techniques, you'll not only improve your grades, but also develop a deeper, more lasting comprehension of your subjects. Ready to transform your note-taking? Get your free, the 3-minute note audit now. Click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more study and performance tips. Join our growing community. You can also find the link to the free resource in our channel bio. Start your journey to academic excellence today.